guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. In case you haven't seen it, the kitchen's all done, looking good. Pretty cleaned up for the most part. Yeah, so today I just thought I'd do a little unboxing of my Yesstyle order, which came within a few days. It was crazy fast. So, and I'll do some first impressions. Let me know if there's a specific product in here you're interested in me doing any first impressions on. So here we go. I can't believe this box came within 3 days. That was so fast. And through Yesstyle, I haven't had any issues with tariffs if you're in the US, so that I haven't at all. Let's see here what we have. Okay, I have a lot of fun stuff I was kind of excited to test out. So here we go. Oh, a lot of sunscreens, that's right. Okay, first off, the Beauty of Joseon Stay Fresh Tone Up Sunscreen. I should have looked more at the ingredients of these, but I didn't do a ton. I can't remember if these are US-based filters or K-Beauty filters. So I'll find out, but I typically am not a fan of tone-up sunscreens, so we'll see. I thought maybe there'd be a good one. Handful of times there's a good one. This is their Stay Fresh Tone-Up Sunscreen with Centella and Chamomile, so they came out with 2 new ones. So I can certainly let you guys know my first impressions of these. Yeah, I was pretty excited. I get very excited for new sunscreens. But tone-up sunscreens, there's maybe a few that I've liked. So we'll see if these stand up to the test, the no BS test. Centellian 24 Teca-Retinol Serum with retinol and bakuchiol. I was very excited to try this one out. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand out. And they might be at, even at Ulta or Target now. So I'll have to check it out. But yeah, I saw this retinol, NMN, bakuchiol. I was all over it. Looked like it was fragrance free. So ceramides, I was excited for that. Let's see, what else do we have? I'm from Apricot Clear Sun Serum. This one came out a little bit a while ago, and finally at Yesstyle it was in stock. Sometimes at Yesstyle, if it's not in stock, it can take some days to deliver, so I just ordered everything that was in stock. But yeah, this one looked nice. Apricot, it's supposed to be for brightening up skin, sun serum, so yeah, it looked exciting. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, the NEOGEN Dermalogy Glow Watery Cream. I have to say I absolutely love their high R exosome cream, so this one looked like it might be good as well, so I picked this one up. And I'm working on anti-aging week. I was initially going to do an anti-aging week starting this week, and then I thought, well, you know, with the 4th of July and everything, I'm going to put it off a week so everyone can calm down from the 4th before I start that. So I'll probably do some first impressions and then get into it. I'm from Seaweed. Did I just order all sunscreens? I'm starting to think that's what I did. I'm from Seaweed Watery Sun Cream. We'll see. I don't know. There's a lot of sunscreens to go around, and if I don't like it, I know there's a lot of people I can hand it down to that would like it. Isn't-Tree Yamroot Vegan pH Balancing Cleanser. Oh, Lincoln's here. I was very excited to try this one out. I love their Yamroot cleanser. Actually, I will say at first, their regular Yamroot cleanser, it comes in a little pump bottle. I hated it at first. And then it took me several times, and then I started up really liking it. So I don't know. I have a love-hate relationship with cleansers. A lot of times I initially really, really dislike them, and then a lot of those end up becoming my favorites. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe it's sociopathic. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, SKIN&LAB Ectoin Milky Cream Toner. Actually, they came out with a handful of new products. These all looked like they're fragrance-free, so I picked them all out. One's a sunscreen, one's a toner, and one's a gel cream. So the sunscreen looks tiny. Let me see. Lincoln is loving on camera, man. Oh, Lincoln. This looks so little, but it's 1.7 ounces. I just had to... interesting. Very liquidy. Also on my list, I have the iUNIK Calming Centella Sun Water. Looks like a toner sunscreen, but I haven't gotten it yet. So that one was way out in terms of stock. So, but it looked interesting. Toner, cream. 2 more things. Oh, Klairs, another sunscreen. Klairs Tone Up Sunscreen. What's purple? TXA, tranexamic acid, glutathione, niacinamide, Tone Up Sun Essence. This looked unique. Although I will say, I noticed Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream is not at Yesstyle right now and some of the K-beauty sites, so I have no idea what that means. I'm a little nervous. Last but not least, iUNIK Beta-Glucan Barrier Ampoule Cleanser. This one looked quite nice and fragrance-free too, so I thought I'd give this one a whirl. But yeah, lots of fun goodies to test out. So just curious what you guys are most interested in me doing a first impressions of, and I will get on that. So let me know what your thoughts are, or if you've tried any of these. I know a lot of people will be interested in the sunscreen. So yeah, anyway. Leave your thought. Oh, cameraman's taking everything. Why?
Making your thumbnail.
Oh, you're making my thumbnail.
Smile.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, anyway, leave your thoughts below. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Crouch down and give thumbs up and smile. I'm leaving this in the video too.